one lovely Honda CRF is going to get a upgrade. It's going to look from that one to that one with a new rear rack. That's quite nice actually. One lovely new rear rack. Is it easy to fit?
Yeah, very.
So, first thing we need to do is remove the original bolts.
Alright, let's take those off then. So what size Allen key is that one, Graham?
It is a 6mm, Ewan.
Thank you very much.
Graham.
Wow, look at that.
So that comes apart. The old bolt will go. You need to keep the securing
It's like a
washer.
spacer.
Yeah, securing washer for the seat. So I'll give that to Jimmy for safekeeping.
So the seat
That
come
needs
off?
to go in your pocket. Yeah, no, the seat doesn't come off. On this side, you can leave the securing washer in place because it won't fall out because it's on the high side.
Unless you got the bike upright, then take them both out. Like that.
So that stays in there.
Thank you very much. And two at the back.
Be careful of the hot exhaust if you just run it.
It's just been running. Do we need that bit?
Look at that.
Thank you. And one to go.
Exhaust is cold anyway.
So that red rode fast.
Yeah. He took the pedals off.
It's freewheeling.
Right, don't lose the securing washer.
Put that one.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because well, that's got to go in. So now we have the fixings that come with the new rack. Spacers. 4 bolts.
Do we use these 4 bolts or these 4
No,
bolts?
these 4 bolts. 'Cause
So I'll keep those in my pocket.
yeah, keep the original separate because of these lugs. They won't go through the new bar. All right. You hold
Alright, I'm in charge of
one foot.
bolts. Jimmy's in charge of washers, spacers.
Right, you need one of those as well. Right. So
This is
carefully line it up. Don't damage your paint. Have you got the?
I've got it here on there.
No, there's securing.
Yeah, I've got that already.
Who's got this one?
I think you've got that one.
You've got 2. I've only got 1.
No, this one. Secure the metal securing.
Yeah, you picked it up off the floor.
No, the metal one. I gave it to you.
That's the one.
Yeah. So
Welcome to the clan.
so that goes in there, and then
Very
no,
carefully.
slide. Yeah, slide that back. Slide that back.
Oh, yeah.
and then you have to get the, hold it up again.
You hold the bike upright, will that help?
No,
Nope.
no, sorry, tried and tested. So that goes in there, that goes there. Right, I'm lined up. Don't do them up tight.
No, I'm not going to.
Just make sure that you're not threading the,
That's in.
and then
Thank you. Right, with your spare hand you in, hold.
I've got
that
this.
up. Yeah, because this is fucking tricky.
Alright, go down slowly. Okay, everybody ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
yeah,
Alright, go down slowly.
Yep.
yeah. Again, just make sure you're not
Cross-threading it.
cross-threading.
Voila.
Nice.
So I'm going to loosely do a knot. Just so they're all holding.
Oh, yeah.
That one quite tight.
Yeah, the new bolts are a little bit stiff. I found them first time I put them in on mine, they were a little bit. So
Just double check to make sure you're not cross-threading it.
yeah.
It looks apart though, doesn't it?
Yeah. It does make the bike look good. And you've got two grab rails as well, which helps.
This one's still got a bit to go.
Yeah, so it's this one. Because as you're coming through with that one, this one won't come out.
There's a bit of a gap on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do.
This is a fiddly one. Alright, it's got the first lip on it. As always, try and do the bolts up as evenly as you can. So they're now all tight, so what I'm going to do is just give them a quarter turn each just to nip them up tight like that. And make sure they're tight, but don't over tighten them. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Check this first one again. good.
Solid.
How secure you can pick up the bike.
So now you've got to do is do a poll of like red or black.
That's a good looking addition. Useful too. And here's one done earlier with a super new black seat. Look at that.